welcome to my channel. I am super excited to show all of you this amazing lipstick. I know all of you have heard of Kylie Jenner. She's the first self-made billionaire. She has a lip kit empire. I bought one of her lip kits at Ulta, and these are pretty pricey. They're around $29, but it's worth the price. Let me tell you, these are amazing lipsticks. They have a wide range of colors, but I chose this one, and I'm glad that I did, because this one goes with everything. This one is the Posie K shade, and it goes with every single look that I have done. So this is my go-to kit for real. I actually need to buy another one because the lip liner is almost gone, but you don't even need the lip liner. I've used it without the lip liner, and no smearing, no running, no nothing. It stays on. You can eat a full burger and it will not come off. Let me tell you, I've done that. Just a greasy, ugly burger, and you're gonna look great still. You just have to touch up just a little bit and you're set to go. So this stuff is a miracle. This is the box that comes in. It's a little beat up because I've been holding off on this video for a while. I've been using it without making the video, so that's why the box is a little beat up. But this is the packaging, and this is how it looks inside. One side is the lip liner and the other side is the actual matte lipstick. And this is the lip liner that you receive, and it has Kylie's name on it, of course, in the matching shade. You get everything in one. You don't have to go out and find a different lipstick or a different lip liner. Everything's all in one, so super convenient. Like, everything matches flawlessly. And this is what the lip liner looks like, but I've been using it, and you can tell it's been used and abused. You can see that I've been using it all the time, so I really need to buy one. I don't know if they actually sell the individual shades on their own, or you have to buy the kit. I have no clue, but I would definitely buy a lip liner, and I don't buy lip liner, let's be real. With this one, I would actually buy the lip liner. Also inside, you get the lovely liquid lipstick in a matte formula, and it doesn't dry out your lips, which is a real big plus because a lot of other ones are really drying. So you don't want to have it flake off and chip off and accidentally eat it, or something happens. You don't want to look crazy now. But this one will not make you look crazy. It doesn't dry out really. If it does, just put a little bit of lip balm or some sort of lip care on your lips and you're set to go. And if it's a very clear shade of lip care, it shouldn't interfere with the product itself. So that's a really great thing. I really want to demo to you what to expect when you get the lip kit. So first, you actually use the lip liner. I don't overdraw my lips because I don't want to look like a circus clown. I know I'm going to mess up, so I just use the natural lines of my lips. So fill it in like so. See that? You don't even notice that I'm wearing a lip liner. It blends in so well, and that's what I like about it. It doesn't clash with your lips. It's just there, but not really that noticeable, so that's why I like it too. It doesn't even look like you're wearing lip liner at all. And this lip liner doesn't smear or smudge. I have to point that out. It stays on so well throughout the day. I wish more lip liners were like that. there you go. The lip liner is done. It's hassle-free. So that's an awesome thing. And I'm going to get into the liquid lipstick right here from Kylie. I love the packaging too. It's very pretty and just simple, yet it's appealing. I really like that a lot. So I'm swirling this, getting rid of any extra lip product. Just taking it like so. Being careful to stay inside the line, not venture out. I really need to buy another one of these. If Kylie Jenner made a black matte lipstick like this, you know I would buy that. Kylie, make one. I'd try it out for sure. It might take me some time because they're $29, but hey, I'd try it. And the lip liner and lipstick blend so well together. I don't know if you can see that. Just amazing. And it doesn't clash with your eyeshadow. It goes well with all kinds of different eyeshadow looks. Like, it's very versatile, which I love. I love a versatile lipstick that I can use all the time. I don't have to really think of like, ooh, what lipstick am I going to wear today that won't clash with my eyeshadow. This one has been used so much because it's so well made, and what I said, it works well with your lips and it works well with your makeup, and it doesn't like get in the way or clash. So this is super amazing stuff, and it doesn't fade out over the day. I literally wore this when I was a little bit and let me tell you, it survived drinks and a whole night out, and it still survived. I still had makeup on. So you know this is a good lipstick if you can drink so much stuff and still look good while doing it. I really recommend that you all go out and try at least one of the Kylie Cosmetics lip kits or one of her individual shades. I know you will not be disappointed in this. I'm not disappointed. I absolutely love this, and I wouldn't share it if I didn't love it so much. I love this. This is my favorite lipstick of this year by far. There's a wide range of shades to choose from. They're all really good quality. I thought it was like super pricey and I thought it wouldn't work, but let me tell you, $29 is a fair price for this compared to other lipsticks out there that are high-end. So you could get a really good high-end brand quality lip kit for a great price. You might actually fall in love with it and want to purchase a lot more like I do. I need this in my life because it's the only shade that goes with every single makeup look that I have done. I want to thank all of you for watching my Kylie Cosmetics lip kit review. If you liked the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to press that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So be on the lookout for those uploads. I appreciate all of you for watching, and I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.